Ladies and gentlebots, welcome to the grand final of the BattleBots Burp-a-thon between Kraken and Blacksmith. Kraken to begin. Starting out small, registering just a 3 on the burpometer. Blacksmith now with a response. That's a solid 4 from the hammerbot. Let's see if Kraken can improve on that. And she does! A strong retort from the bitey one. Can Blacksmith compete with this? He does! Blacksmith is bringing the fight to Kraken, but Kraken looks unfazed. Oh, here it comes! An exquisite belch there from Kraken. Blacksmith's going to really have to step it up now. Oh, here we go! I think his soul left his body. An astounding effort from the New Jersey bot. I don't think Kraken is going to be able to top that, but wait a minute. Kraken is up to something. It seems she has one more burp left after all. I don't believe it. Kraken's burp is so stinky, Blacksmith has fainted. He's not getting back up, ladies and gentlebots. That burp has reduced him to a pile of defective circuitry, which can only mean that Kraken is the winner by knockout.